Welcome to this video on MAC address. MAC stands for Media Access Control Address. It is a unique identifier that allows devices to find and communicate with each other on local networks. Think of it as the fingerprint of your network device that helps other devices recognize and connect with it on the same network. MAC address is short for Media Access Control Address. It is also known by other names: physical address, hardware address, or burned-in address, commonly called BIA. All these names refer to the same thing, the unique hardware identifier of your network device. A MAC address is written in hexadecimal format, which uses numbers 0 through 9 and letters A through F. The standard format consists of 6 pairs of hexadecimal digits, separated by colons. For example, $BB:/CC:/DD:/EE:/FF. Some systems use hyphens instead of colons as separators, like this. $BB:/CC:/DD:/EE:/FF. Both formats represent the same thing. A MAC address is divided into 2 main parts. The first 3 pairs of digits, called the OUI or Organizationally Unique Identifier, represent the manufacturer code. This tells you which company made the network device. The last 3 pairs, called the NIC or Network Interface Card section, are unique to each specific device. This ensures that even devices from the same manufacturer have different MAC addresses. MAC addresses have 4 important characteristics. First, they are unique. Every network device has its own MAC address within a local network segment. Second, they are hardware-based. The MAC address is burned into the network interface card permanently. Third, they have local scope only. MAC addresses work only within Layer 2 networks and cannot be routed across the internet. Fourth, they are spoofable, meaning the MAC address can be changed temporarily through software, unlike a true physical address. MAC addresses have several important uses. They enable device discovery, helping you locate and identify devices on the same local network. DHCP servers use MAC addresses to assign IP addresses to devices automatically. Network administrators use MAC address filtering to allow or block specific devices from accessing the network. Finally, MAC addresses are used for device tracking to monitor and manage network devices and traffic. It is important to understand the difference between MAC addresses and IP addresses. MAC addresses operate at Layer 2, the data link layer, while IP addresses work at Layer 3, the network layer. MAC addresses work only within local networks, but IP addresses enable communication across the entire internet. MAC addresses use hexadecimal format with 48 bits, while IP addresses use decimal format with 32 bits for IP version 4. MAC addresses help find devices on your local area network, but IP addresses handle routing across networks. Here are the 3 key takeaways about MAC addresses. First, MAC addresses are hardware identifiers that uniquely identify devices on local networks. Second, they operate at Layer 2, the data link layer, and cannot be routed across the internet like IP addresses. Third, MAC addresses are essential for network management. They are critical for DHCP assignment, ARP protocols, device discovery, and overall network management. Understanding MAC addresses helps you better understand how networks operate at the hardware level.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.